Welcome sa ating channel. Medyo magugulat kayo, we are at a different setting. At eto ngayon, i-review natin ang TRONSMART, ang gamit-gamit namin pag merong overlanding, camping, and from our other venture over camp. So eto ngayon, TRONSMART Bluetooth speaker, portable speaker. It is a rip-off or cheaper variant if medyo nabibigatan tayo to avail the JBL boombox. I have the JBL boombox also. Ito ang pwede nyong i-consider and it's a very good speaker that we will talk about. Now for more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.
This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan, check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website.
Okay, so a few months ago, TRONSMART contacted us and napansin nga siguro nila that we are also doing some kind of activities outside tech. Ang naging outlet ko kasi recently is to go outside and as usual, medyo na-step up lang namin yung pagpipiknik namin sa labas by doing overlanding, off-road trail. It's a perks of being in the province dahil malapit lang yung mga bundok, yung mga sand dunes. So may opportunity kami na lumabas-labas. And one of the stuff that you may also need para kahit papaano ma-entertain ka to have an ambient music, then ako-consider mo na mag-avail ng mga portable speakers. And sometimes, it's quite expensive. Like the JBL, yung mga medyo maliliit lang, mga ganito lang kalalaki, JBL Charge or JBL Pulse, nasa around 9K na kagad yun. Pero eto, TRONSMART contacted us and yes, we have here their portable speaker. It comes with a smaller dimension compared sa boombox, pero it's kind of boombox yung design with this ambient lighting. Aesthetics purposes lang naman yan, pero it's still with the fabric. Mapapansin nyo dito yung kanyang insulation is fabric and made of plastic with rubber feet, pero still very easy on the go talaga siya na speaker dahil meron nga siyang handle. And all of the button features na meron sa mga JBL boombox is meron din dito. Pwede mong increase or decrease yung volume, next song, and Bluetooth connection, power button, nandyan lahat. Then yung kanyang emblem. The other side, nandyan naman yung kanyang connectivity. So pwede ka maglagay ng micro SD, wireless connection, or auxiliary, and then Type-C at saka USB Type-A. So, napaka-handy niya. Kinda mabigat na rin for this kind of size. Pero ang bottom line ng usapan natin is, how is the sound? So, okay ba ang tunog? Yan yung ipaparinig ko before we will go further.
I heard you're going on a journey and your route is laid out plain. Going where the sun shines every day. No more heartache, no more pain. Don't pack those bags too full, my friend. Make sure you're traveling light. I've taken enough of my love with you to keep you warm at night. So cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alone. It's so cold outside,
Umay kan ading ta-inta agay ayam ay ayamen ta.
Alright, so there you have. Narinig nyo na yung kanyang out-of-the-box sounds at saka meron din siyang parang preset equalizer dito. Parang kumbaga may setting na. Just press that and there, narinig nyo nga yung tunog niya. And overall, ang judgment ko for this kind of speaker, based on the price, it's so good. Of course, medyo mababanggit nga natin yung boombox kasi halos ito yung kumbaga kamukha niya. Though, more on the value side kasi to. So I may compare it with those 9K speakers of JBL. And based on my judgment, a bit subjective, this is almost on par at a very cheap price. Isipin mo sa sobrang laki kasi niya, syempre halos magiging on par siya sa mga 9K speakers, and this is just around 5K. And on top of that, this is also a waterproof speaker, though not as much as those higher brand speakers, pero kahit paano water resistant naman siya. At the same time, you can also customize it with the app, so you may just download the app of TRONSMART, and based on our judgment nga, pagdating sa kanyang sounds, this is not the speaker that you may have as those boombox or worth 15K speakers that comes with this design or aesthetic. Pero in terms of sound clarity naman, hindi naman tayo binigo ng ating TRONSMART Bluetooth speaker. Which is yun naman talaga yung importante, especially pagdating sa overlanding. You will not be going for an overlanding to have high volume or very amplified music, or yung tipong gusto mong mag-clubbing na sa sound trip. More on pagdating naman sa camping or overlanding, you are just going for those music na medyo nakaka-relax siya. Kasi you want to feel the nature, and that is what TRONSMART can deliver. It is a good enough speaker that you may have for overlanding, camping, or outdoor, or gusto mo lang madagdagan yung vibe na medyo relax with a good ambient sound. So that's my review for the TRONSMART. Not much about figurative or technical aspect ang may bibigay ko sa inyo. It's a speaker that is worth it for around 5K. And you may just test it with yourself na lang dun sa ating sound preview earlier sa ating video. Now, for more videos like this and to join me sa aking mga other activities, you may check my other channel, Overcamp. Meron din tayong page, Overcamp din yung pangalan ng ating page. Kakasimula ko lang doon na mag-upload. Doon may mga pinakita kong mga clips na matagal ko nang ginagawa ito. Actually, sa intro ko lang naman na ipakita. Pero recently, sabi ko, why not share it also to you guys? Especially that may mga tech gadgets tayo that we also use for overlanding or overcamping. So yan yung i-share ko dito sa ating channel together with our Overcamp channel. Abangan nyo yung ating Blue Yeti portable power station. Now, for more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.